Hello guys, Bionicleforever12 back here again with another Bionicle unboxing. Today we will look at Krekka. It was released in 2004 and cost approximately $20. Now let's look at the box. Okay, as you can see Krekka running through. And you can see him with his Kanoka disc, his face with his laser eyes, and yeah. Okay. As it's for ages 8 and up. Well, set number 8623 had approximately 203 pieces. You can see the logo for Metru Nui. Here's the side of the box. Here is the back of the box. You can see all his functions. You can see his moving head, which also moves his bottom chest piece, and his launcher that can move back and up, and the launcher itself. And you can see the Kanoka discs are glow in the dark. It's right there, and it shows the 3 sets: Nivok and Tragaduma Nivok, Ignika and Krekka can make this ultimate Duma, I think. I'm not sure, but you can see the giant combiner model. It's really cool. It has big hand and stuff, you know. And you can see in the background it just shows, I believe it's Metru Nui. I'm not sure. It just shows some circuitry and Metru Nui. Okay, on this side it shows the movie. And on the back, it shows the 3 sets again. Now, that we look at the box. Now, let's look on the parts. Hello guys, I'm back, and now, let's look at the instruction manual for Krekka. So, as you can see, this is the instruction manual for Krekka. It's actually quite big for the size of the set, considering... yeah, it's only a $20 set, but it's huge. But as you can see at the back, it has a really cool sneak previews of the Legends of Metru Nui movie. Then next it shows Legoland, advertising Legolands. It shows this really cool poster of that. I'm pretty sure I've seen this poster before, but it's really cool. It shows Livaki, just like shooting, and then shooting the launches, and then it shows Tragaduma, which is Makuta, but then it shows Vakama. What am I doing? Vakama, looking back, and then it has another Kanoka club code, and that's about it. Back it shows all the 6 Vaki: Nurek, Bordak, Borzok, Zadok, Borzok, and Kurak. And then it shows the instructions for the combiner. Instructions for the combiner again. More instructions. Half of this booklet is just instructions for this combiner. Krekka has 34 pages of building, and it shows the 2 other Titans released that year besides Totally Khan, because he was a special edition. But that's enough for the instruction manual. Now, the oldest sets came with this really cool catalog, basically, of the new sets that come out. This one's for 2003, another set came in 2004, but whatever. It says play on. Shows tons of sets. It's kind of cool looking back on this. I had these sets. I have this one, and I don't know why I got it for like $1. But some more sports sets, NBA sets. Yeah, I had a few of those a long time ago. Oriental Expedition, Star Wars. I won't do this for every video though. I'm just doing it for this one. But Star Wars, Harry Potter. Yes, Discovery Kids, Racers, Bionicle, there's Roxy. We'll say these really cool spy botics. I like those. I remember having a couple of those. There's kids' names. PlayStation Bionicle, the game on PlayStation, had that game. I liked it when it came out, but it probably would not hold up anymore. But here is bag number 1. It says this is when Lego used to like specify like the theme, and it's really cool specific bags, unlike later years, which was basically just the same bag every single time. But bag number 1, bag number 2, bag number 3, bag number 4, and and this extra Vaki staff piece or whatever, loose, and that's about it. It also came with this super cool Lego shop at home, the catalog, get your free catalog, which they still do, but they don't put postcards in them, and you can just get them online now. But whatever, let's start the speed build in 3, 2, 1, begin.